What if I showed you a profitable dropshipping store that generates over $392,000 with just 12 products? Yes, believe me, it's only 12 products in a store. Imagine instantly uncovering their winning dropshipping products and even the exact ads driving massive sales. Want the secret sauce? Stick around, I will exactly reveal everything in a step-by-step guide in this video. And before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video and comment winner if you are ready to explore your next dropshipping goldmine. First things first, what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is an e-commerce model where you sell products without holding any inventory. Your suppliers ship directly to your customers, easy and profitable method. How to start a dropshipping business? Choose your niche, set up your Shopify store or consider a pre-built dropshipping store, find winning dropshipping products, drive targeted traffic. Here's the catch, finding winning dropshipping products and reliable traffic strategies can make or break your store. But don't worry, I have a solution for that. Now let's discover a real profitable dropshipping store using PPSpy, the best Shopify app for dropshipping product research. So go to Store Research and in the Apps section type DSers Shopify, Gendrop, AutoDS and CJ Dropshipping and click Add, and the last sale time just make sure you lost 7 days and the stored product count between 1 and 50. So this filter criteria ensure it will pick the small Shopify dropshipping store which has a profitable winning products. Let's hit the search. Boom, we got the stores which is running on Shopify which has a less than 50 products and have the monthly sales over 17k, 13k and monthly revenue as over 297, 393 etc. So in this just consider Mimibelt. This is the store. So what you need to do, simply analyze this store. Actually this store has only 12 products and which is getting over 13.4k sales per month. The monthly revenue for the store is over $393k. The last sale which happened on April 3, this video is taken on April 3, right? So even today this sales is got. So what I'm going to do, I simply press this store analysis button. It will analyze the store. So first thing is this store has created 4 years ago, November 6, 2020. And it means what? This store is a winning store. The products which is hosted on this e-commerce store is getting sales. So probably we are finding the winning competitor and their winning products. So now in this I simply go to that installed apps category which is giving me the what are all the Shopify app has been installed on this particular store. So if you see for the dropshipping, they have installed DSers AliExpress dropshipping. So it means what, they are sourcing the product what they have hosted from AliExpress and fulfilling the orders automatically using this DSers, right? Okay, now we found the profitable store and profitable product and how to source and fulfilling that product, everything we know. Now the second and very important thing is how to attract the customers for this store. This particular store owner, how he has attracted the customer for the store. Good for that PPSpy is providing the ads tool. Just click this ads tool and here just change this as landing URL and type the store URL here that we found just now. So Mimibelt. Press the lens button, then simply press search. Boom. So it given the list of ads what this store owner has running in Facebook, Twitter, etc. So if you see, this advertiser is targeting these countries for all of his ad creatives, we can able to see. So using this PPSpy's ads tool, we can instantly reveal their exact Facebook, Instagram and TikTok ads. Imagine copying these winning ad creatives directly for your store and scaling confidently with proven products. So this is your blueprint. Choose a proven winning dropshipping product, set up your Shopify store or get a pre-built dropshipping store, copy proven ad creatives and scale with confidence. Now, when orders starts pouring in, simply fulfill that orders by installing that Shopify app like DSers and automating your fulfilling and tracking everything. Ready to build your dropshipping empire? If you found that value, smash that like button and subscribe for getting more secrets like this. And of course, comment below your biggest dropshipping goal.